Top stories. 12-hour Thangmaiban shutdown disrupts life. Student clash with cops, 3 hurts. Entry of tourists into Lamjingbatomtv National Park banned. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. The 12-hour shutdown call given by the GAC against the murder of Ningthaujam Babysana disrupted normal life in Thangmaiban area of Imphal West today. The shutdown was by and large peaceful. Strike supporters came out and blocked roads, obstructing movement. As per reports, a large number of security personnel were deployed in every nook and corner of the area to thwart any unwanted incident. The shutdown began at 6 a.m. Roads in the area wore a deserted look and all commercial establishments and educational institutes remained closed. Thangmaiban area witnessed sporadic clashes between strike supporters and cops. The shutdown ended peacefully. Co-convener of the GAC, Pratap Laisangthem, and another GAC member, Elang Bamjoy Kumar Singh, were picked up by the police last night. It may be noted that Thangmaiban, the locality of N. Babysana, has been the epicenter of the protests. During agitation by students demanding justice for Babysana today, 3 student protesters were injured in a clash with cops at Minithong in Imphal East. The injured students were from Churachan Higher Secondary School, Imphal. Similar protest was also reported from several schools in the Imphal. In continuation of the mass protests over the death of in Babysana, a large number of students of Churachan Higher Secondary School left class and took to the street. In front of the school, they planned to take out a protest rally around 1 p.m. which was blocked by cops. They, however, gathered at Sanjentong near the school gate. They chanted slogans and displayed placards demanding swift justice for Babysana, who was found dead in a suspicious manner inside the hostel room of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipu, on July 18 last. As per reports, a scuffle ensued between cops and the protesting students near Sanjentong. There, the cops were trying to keep the situation under control. But the students reportedly battled the cops, attacking them with stones, demanding that they should leave the area, in which 3 students sustained injuries. Co-convener of Babysana GAC, Laisangthem Pratap, and Joint Secretary of Thangmaiban United Clubs were today produced in the court of Imphal West Chief Judicial Magistrate, which remanded them to judicial custody for 15 days. Sources said they were arrested for allegedly defying Section 144 CRPC claim in Thangmaiban area.
Madu aini matungina moina tom to to jabdi madu ai kemta madu comment piroi aduga kano makoi akoina beldi akoi amona tharoi an akoi yanaba ma prokcho.
A sit-in protest was held at Langol Leimakhulel Lekai demanding justice for N. Babysana. The protest was organized Langol Chingmi Tami Apunba Loop and students of the area. The protesters chanted slogans, "Justice for Babysana, punish the culprit," etc. Organization member Akam Tilotama condemned the delay in proving the circumstances leading to the death of Babysana. She demanded punishment to all culprits. The organization will extend support to any form of protest spearheaded by the Babysana JC, she said.
Ngasimak aikoigi haujik yam kanna laipaki oina sagaliba ihau asida irang asida aikoigi standard robot Kanchipurda leiriba landhoni na chalaiba aikoigi hauji school asida siriba angang asigi langla langjil asi haujiki Paliba sarkar birengi sarkar asina karigidamakta haujik phauba mihat pa se masana sijabani haidana achumba langla langjin matomta sijabanate masagi maranai oina siba angang se natte haibagi leipak miam khangna magi khudam changnam punamak phangba hauda kari maramgi damakta asiba mihat pasibu haujik phauda haujik paliba biren sarkar na karigidamakta puthokti bano.
Human chain was formed today at Thoubal Ningombam in protest against the mysterious death of Babysana, a class 7 student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur. She allegedly committed suicide inside the school hostel room last month. Today's human chain protest was jointly organized by Old Manipur Students Union Thoubal District Committee, Ningombam Maira Paibi Loop, Ningombam Idol Youth Club and Ningombam Utha Youth Club. Students of Evergreen Flower English School and New Idol School along with women volunteers of Maira Paibi organizations.
Baby step, if you have, we want.
Condemning the mysterious death of Babysana, Leimapokpam Apunba Maira Paibi Loop along with several local clubs stake a sit-in protest today at Leimapokpam Kunsalam Market. The protesters were holding placards demanding justice for Babysana by bringing all culprits to book at the earliest. And now let's have a short break. But coming up, entry of tourists into Cable Lamjau National Park banned.
lamjingba finance na makhal kaya gi khudong chaba pijari document ichang dana loan lobiba yaragani lemna consultation tauba athuba matamda approval tauba line singatpa yaraba loan singi khudong chaba pijari ba loan makhal singdi business loan machinery loan against property vehicle loan two wheeler four wheeler crank amadi electronic loan asina chingmani akupa morol gidama contact tobiyo lamjingba finance nagamapal rims road Imphal contact number 7085831502 natraga 7085311438 natraga 9366499803. Manipur ihan hanbo oina lamjingba jewelry na market ta phangba sana mayam sigi quality check tawbagi khudong chaba pijari. Adom ki leijariba sanada yauriba alloy amadi elements kaya gi chang marik chumna accurate quality amadi quantity ga loina na khanganba ngamlagani. lamjingba jewelry na pijariba khudong chaba asi lobi hau adom gi sana adu sengi natraga sengdi haiba gi chingna badu kokhanbiyo. Akupa marol gi damak lamjingba jewelry da lengsinbirao.
Lamjingba Jewelry, good quality is our priority.
Last chance. Registration open. 10th, 12th fail. Safe year. Give exam only from recognized board and safe your year. 100% valid recognized by MHRD. Recognized by almost all university. For further education, India and international. Save your current year. Exam starts from next month. For more details, contact 9089783881 or 700-261-3762.
Welcome back. The state government has banned entry of tourists into Cable Lamjau National Park till next month, considering the breeding season of Sangai, the endangered subspecies of brow antler deer found only in Manipur. Visit to Cable Lamjau National Park now will be banned from July to September every year. Speaking at a press meet at DCP Park and Sanctuary Mantri Pukri, Deputy Conservator of Forest Wildlife National Park and Sanctuary Division Ajay Talongzam said that the period from July to September is the breeding season of sangai, and hence entry of tourists into the park has been restricted during this period. The restriction was not imposed earlier, but it will be applied every year from now onwards, he informed. He also informed that people should not visit the park during the ban period.
Samna habda magi machama ko omaga masase koina kitang sole tore na koina paikhalu ba toru ba lera matamda masase ma feeding tawdra dana masase dum starvation tawraga si ba sangai gi magi character amada aduna si matam ji da visitors na lakpa ta di sometimes makhoi manak tu da gari na sangakpa natraga koina student myam lakpa gi langba khotpa torpa matam ji da magi behavior da change tawraga masa pok tamduda mogi gi physiological khar lakpagi masa sing tuga khoi kano to disturbance amata khoina park gi pining daba.
Clearing the air concerning the apprehension among various sections of the society in Manipur regarding construction of National Sports University, MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan today said that after necessary arrangement made by the government, the university is all set to function in the near future. He informed this through a press note. Indian Chamber of Commerce today held a workshop on Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana workshop at Hotel Imphal North AOC. The workshop was held with a vision to provide benefits to farmers, reduce unemployment issue by encouraging entrepreneurship and others. Attending the workshop, Work Minister T.H. Bishwajit said that the workshop will be a great help to the state of Manipur. He urged entrepreneurs from both the hills and valley not to hesitate in getting the benefit of the workshop. Bishwajit also informed that National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD, is sanctioning the loan for construction of a mega food park in the state. The workshop was attended by Union Minister of Food Processing Industries, Rameshwar Teli, as chief guest.
So please do something for the state, not only for our life. Life can be survived, but what we need to do is what we need and what we need to ask ourselves why I will be remembered by the society, by the new generation. In that way, we work a good thing, a good job, and create a new atmosphere in the state, so the state will grow and will become a dynamic state in the entire northern state comparatively.
A Chinese hand grenade was found by locals this morning at Nambol Kamong Maisnam Likai under Nambol Police Station of Bishnupur District. As per reports, the bomb was later defused by police. Under Nambol Police today, later Nambol Police Commando and CID technology team pick up the bomb which was defused near a field. According to police reports, morning joggers found the bomb and later informed the police. United Manipur Muslim Women Development Organization UMMWDO has condemned the recently passed the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Act 2019 or Triple Talaq Bill on the grounds that the bill will bring no good to Muslim women but only miseries. According to a press release from UMMWDO, it mentioned about the possible consequences in a case Muslim man is sent to jail for saying talaq thrice. And considering the bill's drawbacks, UMMWDO urged the concerned authority to repeal the act.
Arunba tawdaba yadaba manghanabagi damakta tawrakpa ek amara haibagi singnadaba sungam ngamde. Ekasigi masa khaidokni yengkanda aphabi yaba khandokpa yaba lambi ama phawba ekasida yawde leite aduna haibi ekasi Bharat Sarkarna fundamental Indian Constitution ki fundamental rights pu phajana mapung phana ikai khumna satpa lenga ama oiba taragadi hairiba ek ase lokthok pi pham thoi masi lokthok pi haina umdogi maikai ti haije.
Students of Hairok High School, Hairok Part 2 stack a sit-in protest in front of the school gate over shortage of teachers. The school has 275 students, but it does not have sufficient teachers, they said. General Secretary of the school, Th. Lojinganba, said that they will take up further agitation if the required teachers are not sent to the school by the authority by August 23. Headmaster of the school, K.S. Kesho, said the school is facing difficulties due to lack of adequate teachers. They have also informed the Education Minister on the matter he mentioned. Meanwhile, Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, Thabal District Committee also urged the concerned authority to look into the matter.
Angga zaman di terkau dia matunda serius korto ngamde dojo ngamde mana kalau untuk itu apa bangun saya itu yani angga itu
School asibu amutang mapung phana hingalan bida government amadi paliba lenyak asigi achobo thodang adu ullaga amtang school asi hingalan da khwai tarana mating pangbiu adu school asigi oja sing wa le ana complain tauna bagi da mari le ba authority gi thongjin da chatpa matam da school sigi oja sing da torture tawbire abagi pawsu da samde leire hairiba mari le ba singna hairiba thabak chi khudak chidagi thadok kadamni amadi wali ba oja sing jo manipur government na thuban matam da tharakna school asi hingalan bida makoi gi thongang lawudan.
District Health Society Jiribam organized National Deworming Day at New Life Academy School, Uchathol, Jiribam. Assistant Commissioner to Deputy Commissioner Jiribam, Bungo Maibam Kuman, CMO Jiribam E. Okendro Singh and Principal New Life Academy Uchathol Ahibam Tejmani share the dice at the event. Dr. of R.K. Bungo Singh of Pediatric Medicine Hospital Jiribam said that the day was held to provide albendazole to the children between the age group of 1 to 19. Repair work on landslide affected Imphal-Dimapur highway near the old dumping site of Kohima Municipal Council is underway by Public Work Department National Highway. The stretch has remained cut off due to landslide that occurred on 5th of this month. According to official of PWD, it may take around 5 to 6 days to finish the repair work. 56th Foundation Day of Thaubal College. Thaubal was held at the multipurpose hall of the college. Principal of the college, Okram Chauba, along with former principal and lecturers of the college were present during the function. Floral tribute was paid to the memorial obelisk of the founder member of the college. On the occasion, a 2-minute silence were observed as a marked respect to N. Babisana. College Annual Reports 2019 and a book written by Associate Professor of the college, Dr. K.H. Yugindro, titled Urbanization Trends in Northeast India were presented at the program. A common room for boys and girls built under the Rusa 01 was also inaugurated. Later, meritorious students of Manipur University exam were presented with awards. As a part of the ongoing security measures taken up by Manipur Police ahead of the Independence Day celebration, a team of Imphal East Commando under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police Operations of Imphal East today conducted a house-to-house search operation in the surrounding area of Wangkai Ningthem Prokimapal. Around 70 houses were searched and residents were verified during the search drive. However, no one was picked up. 6 times World Boxing Champion MC Mary Kom will participate in the upcoming World Women's Boxing Championship to be held in Russia. The championship will be held from October 3 till 13. Now we are heading to another short break, but coming up, Indigo to launch Silchar-Kolkata direct flights from September 20. More updates after the break.
Welcome to SRM IST Delhi NCR Campus Ghaziabad, India's most trusted educational institute. Be a part of success and let's go ahead.
Studio 11, India's favorite salon and spa, now at Imphal. Our services are haircut, hair straightening, global color, body spa, hair spa, waxing, threading, facial and treatment, hand and feet care, makeup. Body massage. Studio 11. Salon and Spa Imphal. Look fabulous. Fitness World Building, Singzamai Mathak Chongtham Lekai, Imphal West. Phone number 0385 2440164. Yoga instructor Ani Pamjay. Mahigi Thak Diploma in Yoga, Natraga. Master in Yoga, Natraga. BYNS Natraga. PGDYN Oigadabani. Thabaki mafamna Delhi University ni. Regular post oina thagi salary lupa lising kunthra dagi hogani. Akupa morol gidamak Sri Krishna Classical Yoga Group of India gi New Delhi da laiba headquarter dagi khangbi biyagani. Mobile number 9810993987. Email birlayogaolympics@yahoo.com. Gitam University Visakhapatnam da BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidates singna admission to bibi yaragani. Campus manungda masagi hospital leizaraba medical college ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing da admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure: BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to fourth year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility: BSc class 12 pass, physics, chemistry, biology and English 60% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tobiba yagani. Subnataki seat taramanga khaktani. Akupa marol gidama contact tobirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara. Phone number 60090622261 Natraga 87940262277.
Welcome back. Budget carrier Indigo Airlines will start direct flights from Silchar to Kolkata from September 20 next. Silchar is the airline's 8th location in Northeast to start operation of direct flights. Booking process for the first Indigo Silchar-Kolkata flight has already been started in various online travel sites like Make My Trip, Cleartrip, etc. The first Silchar-Kolkata Indigo flight will depart from Kolkata at 7:30 am and reach Silchar at 8:45 am. A major health awareness scheme was held at Namsing village under Mebo subdivision of Arunachal Pradesh yesterday. As per reports, the health awareness scheme was held in view of outbreak of several cases of Japanese encephalitis in the region. The camp was organized by the Adi Bani Kewang in association with District Medical Officer of East Siang District. Late Dr. Bhupen Hazarika's son Tej Hazarika is in India to receive the highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna, today to be bestowed on Bhupendra, as his father is popularly known. Earlier, the government on January 25 announced that former President Pranab Mukherjee Bharatiya Janata Sangh leader Nanaji Deshmukh and Hazarika will be conferred with the Bharat Ratna. A 6.0 magnitude earthquake caused minor damage in northeastern Taiwan early this morning as the island braced for the arrival of severe typhoon. No casualties are reported. Union Minister of State, Independent Charge for the Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region and Minister of State for Prime Minister's Office, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances, Pensions, Department of Atomic Energy and Space, Dr. Jitendra Singh and Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K. Sangma inaugurated the 22nd National Conference on E-Governance 2019 NCEG, the first ever in Northeast region in Shillong, Meghalaya today. Senior government officers from across India, researchers and eminent personalities from IT industry attended the two-day national conference. Addressing the inaugural session of the conference, Dr. Jitendra Singh congratulated the state government of Meghalaya for organizing such an elaborate and successful national conference on e-governance.
There was a time when this government came in, and these two states in Northeast, including Meghalaya, the other one being Arunachal Pradesh, had never seen a train. But now we have a double gauge rail track under construction. It is the personal indulgence of Prime Minister Modi and his personal outreach which has encouraged us, which has enabled us, which has provided us with the resources to give this kind of focus to the northeastern region. Soon after he took over, one of the famous observations he made was that India cannot develop as a whole if one of the part is not able to develop at par with the other part. He compared it with the two arms of Mother India, saying one arm remains strong, the other remains feeble.
Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K. Sangma said it is not the best technology that matters, but it is now best available technology is applied for the larger good of the masses. Sangma also mentioned about the challenges of digital connectivity in the Northeast, especially Meghalaya.
It's not necessary that we have to have the best technology, it's not always, but we have to have the technology that helps us achieve the goals in a much more better manner. And I think that is what drives me also when we talk of e-governance. Another big area of e-governance is really the data that we collect. Today it is very difficult for government sometimes to take solid decisions without having the right data. But if we have the right data and the prediction is made out of the data, that is there, the trends that come out of it will really help us to make quality decisions which will ensure that with the same amount we can have better output and better services for the people.
The Ministry of External Affairs, Subramaniam Jaishankar, said Pakistan should review its decision to downgrade ties with India and suspend trade after Islamabad declared that the Union envoy would be asked to return. The Pakistani action were aimed at presenting an alarmist picture to the world. According to an MEA statement stated that ending of special status to Jammu and Kashmir was an internal affair of India and was aimed at bringing developmental opportunities to the people there. Pakistan exploited the lack of developmental opportunities to generate disaffections and to justify its cross-border terrorism. The government of India regrets the steps announced by Pakistan yesterday and would urge that country to review them so that normal channels of communication are preserved, it said. And now let's move on newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express plan rally foil. JSC co-convener, 2 others held. Thangwei Wen today, State Wen tomorrow. Sushma Swaraj cremated with state honors. Prime Minister, top leaders present. No intention to remove Article 371, says Amit Shah. The People's Chronicle, 2 Hell, 12-hour Thangmaiban Van today. 2 days state mourning for Sushma Swaraj. Security forces intensify search operations ahead of Independence Day. Manipur Secretariat Services Association suspends cease work strike. IMA drops stair plan. Imphal Free Press. Girl who cried over felling of trees appointed Grand Ambassador of Chief Minister Green Manipur Mission. JSC calls Van at Thangmaiban area. Statewide general strike imposed on August 9. Parents should not hesitate to agitate and face situations. Chief Minister others express condolences over demise of Sushma Swaraj. Political parties slam BJP for scrapping Article 370, Article 35A. The Morning Bell. CPI Manipur protests scrapping of Article 370. We're ready for bigger protests, says Dr. Nara. Indian Medical Association Manipur branch suspends planned hospital shutdown stare. JSC against Babysana dead calls statewide burn on Friday. The girl who wept for felling trees appointed Brand Ambassador of Chief Minister's Green Manipur Mission. Manipur Mail. Centre notifies abrogation of Article 370 in J&K. Left parties stays protests. Indian Medical Association opposes medical bill. Valentina appointed Brand Ambassador.
Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. 12-hour Thangmaiban shutdown disrupt life. Student clash with cops, 3 hurt. Entry of tourists into Lamjingbatomtv National Park banned. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.